Hey guys, do you want to know these two ingredients that can be found in your kitchen that are beneficial to our health? In this video, we will reveal to you two ingredients in which experts found out that by combining this together, it will create taste extraordinarily, and little did you know that it can make a healing surprise, and it was studied by health specialists for more than 20 years. Hi everyone! Welcome to Amazing Ideas, where we will share some tips and ideas on natural ways to become healthy. Wellness, home remedies, natural care, natural cure, and some ways and means to stay safe and healthy. Remember, life is beautiful. Historically, honey is rich in nutrients, and also cinnamon has been utilized as medicine by Ayurvedic and Chinese people long time ago. If you are suffering from menstrual pain, joint pain, and digestive disorder, then you should consider to add cinnamon on your list because it has been shown that cinnamon can treat this kind of pain. Cinnamon contains molecular compound that brings down inflammation called cinnamaldehyde and gives cinnamon its flavor and scent. Honey contains a lot of nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, calcium, B6, zinc, and amino acids. Besides from that, honey can reduce down swelling. But before we start, please thumbs up if you like, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and click the notification bell below so that you will be updated every time we upload a new video. Number 1. Arthritis. As we grow older, our bodies begin to deteriorate and stops functioning. There are many contrasting ailments that we are prone to as we age, and one of the usual illness that we might have is arthritis. In the old times, doctors used cinnamon and honey as a paste to treat arthritis. Today, we recognize that this treatment can help because there is potassium in honey and cinnamaldehyde in cinnamon, which blends well to tend the inflammation and toxins that the body is missing that may lead to arthritis. All you have to do is to combine 2 tablespoons of raw honey with 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Apply this on the affected area and massage it gently into your skin. You may also try mixing honey and cinnamon into a warm cup of water and drink it every time to treat arthritis. Number 2. Allergies. One of the primary role of immune system is to protect our body from harmful bacteria and viruses. There are a lot of cases why a person gets allergy. An allergic reaction happens when an individual's immune system has an overreaction to a specific things such as dust, which can cause runny nose, cough, watery or swollen eyes, foods. You may want to eat the food that is served right in front of you, but sometimes there are cases that you will have an allergic reaction to a specific food, and the symptoms if you have an allergy to that is vomiting, swelling of face, throat, and lips. Medication. There are also instances that you may have an allergy to a medicine. The symptoms are having rashes, itchiness, swelling of lips, tongue, and face. Drinks. The symptoms are worsening of pre existing asthma, runny or stuffy nose, facial redness, nausea, and many more. A mixture of cinnamon and honey can aid those allergies that are not that much harmful in your health. Both of the ingredients increases the immune system and protect it from viruses and germs. Honey and cinnamon can also relieve discomfort from inflammation and congestion that can occur from specific allergies. By drinking honey and cinnamon mixture with a cup of warm water all the time can help to get rid of your allergy. If the allergy of yours worsen, you better have a checkup with your doctor. Number 3. Cardiovascular disease. Individuals who have a cardiovascular disease or who are at high risk of it because they already have some risk factors such as diabetes, hyperlipidemia, hypertension, and many more. The interesting part is that the North American nursing homes agree that when the honey and cinnamon are combined, it helps the flexibility and stability of arteries because they have tested it, and also it helps to block heart disease. Consuming both cinnamon and honey to your normal activity or healthy diet can prevent heart disease and can clear blocked arteries. Add this to your daily routine to save yourself from any cardiovascular disease. Number 4, diabetes. Honey is a natural sweetener that you may substitute to your regular sugar, but always remember to use only organic or raw honey because this kind of honey does not have any added sugar, which is good for a person who has diabetes. Research has also shown that both honey and cinnamon can lower the blood sugar levels. Please give us an opinion so that we will know if you get some ideas and enjoying the video. Also, if the video is imparting to you and your health. By the way, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up to help the channel. Number 5, common cold. Researchers found that cinnamon can reduce the development of various microscopic organisms that causes the common colds. Honey increases the immune system, which is a great factor to stop catching colds. So, when you use pure organic or raw honey blended with cinnamon, a lot of people will never have a common cold, or on the other hand, if they catch a common cold, they get healed faster. Here are some precautions that can help so you will not get infected with colds. Avoid any close contact with a person who has been infected with colds. Improve your immune system by eating plenty of vegetables and fruits that is full of nutrients. Whenever you feel like to sneeze or cough, always cover it with a tissue and throw it after you use it, and do not forget to wash your hands with soap and water, or you may also use a face mask to cover your mouth and nose so that you won't be able to affect other people. In summary, honey and cinnamon is a traditional treatment to some of the diseases, and the main reason why these two ingredients are so great because they can improve the immune system, fight free radicals, diabetes, stops catching colds, heart diseases, allergies, arthritis, and controls inflammation. Now you know that these two ingredients has tons of benefits. Are you going to add this to your daily dose? Remember, better safe than sorry. Please comment below if you've done this before and share how it went. Please share this to your friend also who suffers the same problems that I've mentioned earlier so that we can help them in a little way. Thanks for watching. See you on our next video. And always remember, life is beautiful.